You prepared for CUET. You appeared for the exam. You got your score. But now comes the part where many students get confused: counseling. And trust me, every year thousands of students lose good opportunities simply because they don't understand the admission process. So, in the next 5 minutes, I'll explain the complete CUET counseling process in the simplest way possible. Let's begin. First, let's clear up the biggest confusion. Many students think that after CUET results are announced, there is one common counseling process for all universities. That is not true. CUET is only the entrance exam. The counseling and admission process is conducted separately by each participating university. For example, Delhi University has its own admission portal. Banaras Hindu University has its own process. Jawaharlal Nehru University has its own process, and many other universities follow their own admission procedures. So your first task is simple. Identify the universities where you want admission. Once the university opens its admission portal, you need to register. You'll create an account using your email and mobile number. Then you will fill in your personal details, academic details, CUET application number, and CUET score information. After that, you'll upload the required documents. Usually these include Class 10 mark sheet, Class 12 mark sheet, CUET scorecard, photograph, signature, and category certificates if applicable. Before submitting, double-check everything. One small mistake can create unnecessary problems later. Now comes one of the most important steps: preference filling. This is where you choose the courses and colleges you want. Many students make emotional decisions here, and that's a mistake. Use a simple rule. Always place your dream choices at the top, then your realistic choices, then your backup options. Think carefully, because your preference order can directly affect your final allotment. This is where decision psychology becomes important. Don't choose based on what your friends are choosing. Choose based on your own interests, career goals, and budget. After registrations close, universities prepare merit lists. These lists are based on CUET scores, eligibility criteria, reservation policies, and seat availability. Once the allocation results are announced, you may receive a seat offer. Now you have to act quickly. Usually you'll have to accept the seat, upload any remaining documents, and pay the admission fee within the deadline. Missing the deadline can result in losing the allotted seat, so keep checking the admission portal regularly. This is another area where students get confused. Suppose you receive a seat, you may get two options: freeze or upgrade. Freeze means you are satisfied with your current seat and want to keep it. Upgrade means you accept the current seat but also want to be considered for a better preference in the next round. Choose carefully. If your dream college is still possible, upgrade may make sense. If you're already happy with your allotment, freezing the seat is usually safer. Once your seat is confirmed, the university will complete document verification. Some universities may do it online, some may ask for physical verification later. Keep all your original documents ready. And most importantly, don't wait until the last day for any step. Students who stay organized usually have a much smoother admission process. So that's the complete CUET online counseling process. Remember, CUET gets you the score, but smart counseling gets you the seat. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who is preparing for admissions. Contact Shiksha Search for free guidance support, and best of luck for your college journey.